Israel will suspend over 24 humanitarian organizations from operating in Gaza, including major groups like CARE and Doctors Without Borders. The groups will have their licenses revoked in Israel on January 1st and will have to leave the country by March 1st. That's because Israel says they failed to comply with new registration rules that were designed to prevent the infiltration of the groups by Hamas or other militant organizations. The aid groups say they didn't comply with the rules because they were invasive and required them to give information about their Palestinian staff members in Gaza. More than 500 aid workers have been killed in Gaza over the course of the war. Israel, which made a commitment under the U.S. brokered ceasefire to keep aid going into Gaza at an adequate level, says that the ban won't have a measurable impact on the flow of aid. But aid organizations are disputing that, saying it's not just about the amount of aid entering Gaza, but it's also about the services that they're providing. Shayna Lowe, a communications advisor for the Norwegian Refugee Council, which is one of the suspended groups, told us that international NGOs operate 60% of the field hospitals in Gaza. They've provided 3/4 of the shelter aid and have also carried out 50% of the food aid distribution. The affected aid groups say they will no longer be able to send international staff into Gaza, which can help boost morale and provide specialized skills that may not be available in the war-torn territory. They also will have to shutter their East Jerusalem offices, and the future of their programming in the Israeli-occupied West Bank, like health clinics, education centers, legal aid, is uncertain.